Okay, here we go. So, to find all zeros of x to the fourth plus x to the third plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 8, we would first take the factors of the last and divide by the factors of the first. So that gives me plus or minus factors of 8, plus or minus 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors of 1 plus or minus 1. Now, if we look at the ratio, we always divide those then. So when we divide these, I get my possible zeros. These are just a list of possible zeros. So the possible zeros are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 8. So I'm going to start with 1, and I'm going to do synthetic division. So 1, I do the upside down divide bar. Now I write out each of these coefficients, making sure that the exponents on x do not miss. If they do miss, I need a 0. So when I say don't miss, that's 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So therefore we got it. So I have 1, 1, 2, 4, negative 8. So I drop the 1 here first every time. 1 times 1 is 1, add. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, add. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 4, add. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8, add. I get a 0 right there. That tells me it's going to be a 0. So 1 is a 0. So they wanted me to find all possible zeros. 1 is one of them. Now I could go through and keep trying to get as many of these as I could and see which works, but the best thing to do from here is now to rewrite this as 1x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 8. Remember, we always come down 1 degree from where we started. And then I would tell you to try to factor this by grouping. So draw a line right down the middle. Factor out your GCF here, which is x squared, which is going to give you x plus 2. Factor out your GCF here, which is 4, which is going to give you x plus 2. And it does factor by grouping. So that gives us x plus 2 times x squared plus 4. Set each of these equal to 0 and solve. So x plus 2 equal to 0, x equals negative 2. So there's another one of your zeros is negative 2. Now, x squared plus 4 equals 0. You would subtract the 4, get x squared equals negative 4. Take the square root and you get x equals plus or minus 2i. So there's your other zeros. One's a positive 2i and one's a negative 2i. And those are all your zeros of this. Okay? All right. That is synthetic division. Have a great day. Bye.